This is my iPad 7 2019, and I will be showing you how to disable the click noise when you press the power button, as well as disabling the keyboard typing noise when you type, regardless if you have your volume up or volume down. I'll show you how to disable it by going into settings. This is for iOS 13. Go into settings, click on sounds, scroll to the very bottom, and then you just have to make sure these two options, depending on what you want disabled, like if you want the power buttons lock sound off, just click on there, and if you want keyboard clicks off, click there. And so now no more sound off of the lock screen, and then likewise no more keyboard sounds. Some people like keyboard clicks, not me.